is the Julian. When you enter, you have this rustic table as your entryway table. Right, straight right down. You are in the living room. And this is very rustic. If you like that style, farmhouse-ish. I like that table. Right next to it, there's this little space right here. Not sure what it is for, but it's here. And I believe this may be a coat closet. Oh, no, it's a utility space. Okay. So, yeah, this is very farmhouse. As you can see, these cotton thingies. Now, when we go this way, we go up the stairs. Right up the stairs is the kitchen area, which is beautiful. I just want you to take in what I'm looking at. And there's another living room here, or family room, whatever you call it. Okay, so it's very moody, really pretty. This is so beautiful to me. Okay, so then when we go this way, we are in the kitchen area. Like I say, I come here to get ideas for my home and also to be inspired. Okay, so there is a office space here. It's pretty small, so it definitely has to be an office space, which is also beautiful. Now when you go, you have the choice to go up the stairs or down the stairs again. Now, this is giving me so much idea for my corner of my kitchen. And for those who are familiar with my home, you know where that is. And I love that. So we go right over here is the powder room. This is an odd space to put it. Simple yet so beautiful. I love the blanket ladder. And we go up the stairs, so let's go. When we come up the stairs, we have this landing space with these 3 geometric wall art. And you can go to your left or to your right. And this is the laundry room. It's really beautiful. I love that. So then, there is a closet here again. Like I said previously, this is very rustic and farmhouse. And that's it all the way. So we have 3 bedrooms next to each other. Let's start here. It's the smallest, I guess, so they use it as a nursery. But it's beautiful. Oh my God, I can't wait for my kids to like change rooms. And I love this. I love rugs like this because they don't get dirty. And it's a one purchase, one time. This is so beautiful. Right when you turn Oh my God, I love this idea. Okay, Gladys, remember things. I love this idea because I can put my kids' toys like this, and I think it's better than a toy box. So this idea is great. So I love that. And do it on the dime. If you guys know, her YouTube page also mentioned something like this with the Dollar Tree hack. So, and it's a huge, huge closet space for a kid's room. That is huge. It says, "Oh baby, it's wild. It's a wild world." Okay, right. When you go here, there's another bedroom. This is more for like a teenager or young adult room. I love this. I hope you guys are getting inspired, guys. Each week you're receiving different homes from me, from my channel, and it's not just your regular homes. I'm bringing you guys farmhouse, modern homes, glam, and everything. So right here is a bathroom. So simple mirror. Nothing much to see. When you enter, this is the master bed. This is so beautiful. I would have put a bench right here or a seating area, a couple of chairs. Because if you want to dress up or when you want to get dressed, you have somewhere to sit down, but to each their own. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Do you see that? I love these two ring candle holders. And this is so beautiful. Okay, and we go forward. We're going to this bathroom, which is also beautiful. And we have bathroom over here, like a toilet area, and a master closet here. So when we turn around, let's see if we have any more square footage here. Because this home is bigger than my home based on the square footage outside, but I'm not seeing the effect of that square footage. So let's see if we can find a different space. And I don't think so. I think this is it. So this is it, guys. This is just beautiful.